Hey everybody, in today's video we're going to look at something that can really help you organize your desktop or your dashboard in OpenBOM. OpenBOM folders. So OpenBOM folders are a way to organize your bills of material in OpenBOM. You're looking at my account here. You can see I've got 3,000 BOMs. I've got over 10,000 items. I use a lot of folders. So the folders area is on your Parts and BOMs dashboard. Right down at the bottom is a section called folders. This is really simple. These are tags, not necessarily folders. So think about them like tags. So I'm going to start by creating a new folder. Call that one underscore new, and I've got some stuff that I'm working on. I'm going to go ahead and move this. This happens to be a router, one of the router bills of material. I'm going to go ahead and move that into my new dashboard, or in my new folder. There's a button up here for that. Go down here and find new, say save. Okay, so now when I am at my BOM dashboard and I scroll down to the new folder, I'm going to see this 1017 BOM. That BOM still exists if I'm not in any folder at all. So in other words, if I just go back to my BOMs, my BOM dashboard, I have 1017 in it. But I've also, if I wish, I can view it through this folder tag. I could add it to another folder if I wanted to. So you could, maybe this belongs in the PCB folder as well. So I can save that there, and I can see that I've got 1017 in the PCB folder, and I've got 1017 in the new folder. And then to remove them, just kind of do the same thing. Choose this, go back up here and click the remove button. Folder, and then finally you can edit or delete the actual folder names right down here. Again, when I delete a folder, I'm really just deleting a tag, not deleting any of the data behind it. Hope you find that useful. Thanks.